Welcome back. We're going to do some more examples of adding or subtracting rational expressions. We're going to be adding these, I think. Let's go look and see. Oh, we do have a subtraction. Okay, so here we go. All right, our first job is to find the LCD, find the common denominator. Okay, so let me write down my steps. First, I'm going to find my common denominator. All right, and then I'm going to change the numerators by multiplying. Not nubs, num. Change the numerators by multiplying. And then we're going to combine the numerators. All right, let's see if we can do this without too much trouble. All right, so now to find the common denominator, I'm going to have to factor my denominators. Well, these don't factor. Neither one of them factor. Okay, and so to find the common denominator, I need all of the first one. So x plus 4. That's needed. And then my second one, I need the x. So my common denominator is both of those multiplied together. That's the common denominator. I'm going to rewrite it a little differently. So now that I know my common denominator, I'm just going to write it twice. Okay, and that minus, keep an eye on that minus. All right, so now I'm going to change my numerators by multiplying by what's missing. Okay, so now when I compare the old denominator to my new common denominator, I'm missing an x. So I'm going to multiply my numerator by x. So that'd be 8x. And then when I compare the old denominator with the now new one, I'm missing an x plus 4. So I'm going to multiply my numerator by x plus 4. Okay? Then I can combine the numerators. This one's a little trickier because we've got a big fat minus sign there, but we're going to combine my numerators. I have an 8x, and then I'm going to have to distribute that. Minus 9x minus 36. Combine those. It's going to give me a negative 1x minus 36 over my denominator. Well, what's your denominator? You know what your denominator is. It's x plus 4 times x. There you go. Combine the numerator. Now notice, when it came to the denominators, once I found the common denominator, I didn't do anything else to it other than write it down. Think about that. Once I determined what the common denominator was, I didn't have to do anything but write it down. So, okay, next. All right, so now these we're going to have to factor. We're going to factor the numerators first so that we can figure out what the common denominator is. Stop the video if you think I'm factoring too fast. Okay, so I've got my denominators factored. I have x plus 9 and x minus 2 for the first one. I hope that's right. If it's not, please let me know. And x plus 9, x minus 5 for the second one. So my common denominator, which is the first thing, common denominator, I'm going to take all of the first one. Okay, so let's get my common denominator here. I'm going to take all of the first one. And then I'm going to say, what else do I need? Well, I'll look at my second one. I've already got the x plus 9, so I need an x minus 5. That's my common denominator. Okay. All right, part 2. Change the numerators by multiplying by what's missing. All right, so let me look. I've got an x plus 8. Sorry, guys. I got an x plus 8. And when I compare the new to the old denominator, I'm missing an x minus 5. So I'm going to do an x plus 8 times x minus 5. All right, now for the second one, I've got an x plus 7. Bring in my plus. And x plus 9, x minus 5. What's missing is the x minus 2. So I'm going to multiply that. Okay, so now I've got to FOIL. Woohoo! And I've got to combine like terms. So I've got a lot of multiplying and combining like terms to do. So let me get to it. I think I want to be yellow again. So that's going to give me an x to the second minus 5x plus 8x. So that's plus 3x minus 40 plus x to the second minus 2x plus 7 be plus 5x minus 14. Okay, that's all over this big green nasty denominator. And then I'm going to combine that. I get a 2x to the second plus 8x minus 54. And that's all over x plus 9, x minus 2, x minus 5. I sure hope that's right. Woohoo! But guess what, y'all? It's just math. Woo! If that's not right, y'all send me an email. Let me know, and I'll redo this video. Okay? It's just math. Y'all got it.